name is Stacey. I'm 8 years old. I'm a grade 3 learner at Sacred Heart College, Johannesburg. Today's a very special day because I've just finished writing my first book called Smelly Cats. Smelly Cats is about two cats called Mark and Mac. They fought a lot because they are very different. At the beginning, Mark had all the girls and Mac had all the flies chasing him. Actually, Smelly Cats is about cats that can run, shout, dance, fight, eat and drink like you and me. A lot happened in their lives, but at the end they both had the girls, the books and no flies anywhere. Thank you.